Well, a very, very rapid run through the weather for the fleet now, with Sebastian Simon coming in. Very much the same kind of schemata, the same kind of situation as the first two have had, coming in into lighter breezes. This high pressure system still dominating, coming into the Point de Bretagne, and then coming down the French coast, down the Brittany coast towards Les Sables d'Olonne. We expect him in on a Friday morning, but a fairly straightforward approach for him indeed. One little final tack, coming in upwind finally. So then next to look at is the main group, 4 to 10. Looking at Jeremy Bayou, Sam Goodchild and Paul Meillard. This little bit of a breakaway for them. Meantime, Boris Herman and Thomas Rion, I think going a little bit further to the west. Not really a good situation for them, but largely caused by circumstance and problems rather than strategy. And then further back we have Sam Davis, Clarence Kramer and Benjamin Dutreux. A little bit lighter for them. Let's see how this plays out, but generally it's still a boat speed race for the group in front in the northeasterly trades. Coming into the high pressure zone, the next weather feature for them, they'll come into lighter winds, and then this big low pressure coming down all the way down to the Azores, which will bring quite strong winds for them into Monday. That will be the big test for this group coming in next. And then for the group coming through the cold front off just to the northeast of Rio, well, Roman Athanasio in quite a nice situation, having got clear of the thunderstorms. A little bit upwind for him, but he's good into a clear breeze. His objective will be to come up, tack and get out towards the southeasterly trades and use them, as has been conventionally the case, coming up through the equator, etc. Meantime, out here, not quite quite an easy situation for them. They're in good breeze, and still for this group here in the cold front, loads of activity, thunderstorms, and quite slow for them. And then finally, for the group further to the back, we have Guirec Soudé. The best situation for him, coming in the reasonable breeze, southerly south easterly breezes for him. He's well ahead. But then for this group here, we're very much in a complicated situation with quite light winds and increasingly being forced to go towards the South American coast. So that's the situation with the weather for the fleet at this moment.